Okay, here's where a lot of their devices have been planted in this bathroom. This light fixture right here, it pops when I come into the bathroom. Also, if you try to plug a equipment into it, this thing blows really fast. Okay, and then you have to reset the breaker. It wasn't like that until they came in and started messing up the bathroom. Okay, this here, all of this crap right here, all up in here is where they've placed devices. In this overhead light section, you see how it goes out like that? Overhead light section. And then over here, you can see, you can't see with this camera, but it is obvious where they retextured the ceiling, because they opened it up, put something in there, and then tried to retexture it, and it doesn't match. The retexturing does not match. And then you can't see here, but there are cracks. I think you can see that crack. You see the crack? There should not be a crack in the drywall, but there's cracks in the drywall. There's no reason for a crack to be in any of this crap. Any of this, and then you can see where, you can't see here, but you know, you can see where the wood is separating from the frequencies that are coming out, just constantly being bombarded by frequency. And so this is what's happening. And this is where a lot of their equipment is located, just behind this whole section of the house. This is one of the many sections. Let me just put it that way. Okay.